everybody, it's Friday Farm Vlog, and today we are having some thunderstorms, but farm chores happen, rain or shine. Friday Farm Vlogs happen, rain or shine. So while the animals may not want to go out in this weather, they do want to have their breakfast and get their fresh water. So we're gonna get those farm chores done. Lucky for our little goats, they have a little door here that comes out underneath their lean-to. So Fancy Nancy here can come on out, have some hay out here, be outside but still under a covered shelter. Because my goats do not like the rain at all, so we did build them this covered shelter to be able to come in and out. Amelia, you want to come out? We got Miss Elizabeth. What do you think? Yeah, she's not too sure about coming out. She doesn't like thunder and lightning, and I don't blame her. Right, my girl? Ooh, have a little breakfast. Fresh water. Now the male goats as well, Rory, Calvin James, Freddie James, and Mr. Darcy want nothing to do with this rain. They have been hiding in their goat shed. So I brought them some fresh water and made sure they have plenty of hay, and they are just bedding down in there until this storm passes. They do have access to the outdoors, but they will not go out when it's raining like this. And then our 18 roosters in the chicken tractor, they are completely staying underneath their covered area on their roost and in the corner so that they can stay out of the rain when it's heavy like this. Once the rain isn't so heavy, they'll come venturing about. Same with the main flock of chickens. They don't mind the rain, but this heavy rain with the thunderstorms, they prefer to just stay in the coop. Look who decided to venture out a little bit, huh? There's Clifford. These girls are like, we're gonna use this table. You got sick of the coop? You didn't want to be in the coop anymore? And then our 27 chicks in the chick coop, we do not allow them to come out into the rain. They stay in their chick coop in inclement weather because they don't have their fully developed feathers yet to be able to repel the rain. Now our farm dogs, they do join me on the farm chores, rain or shine. Anna doesn't mind the rain as much. She loves to swim. She doesn't mind water. But Oaken, he does not like the rain, but he loves me, so he will come out in this weather. He doesn't like it though, so I do let them come out under here. Normally I don't like them to come in with the goats, but with this kind of weather, I do let them come underneath this shelter area. And they do respect the goats. The goats don't appreciate their presence in here, but having them out here and not in their shed is okay. In these circumstances. But this weather is great for the garden. I can't wait to see how much the garden flourishes from all this rain. It always seems like when the garden gets hit with a ton of rain that everything just really takes off. And so when I see like heavy rain like this, I get excited. Look at this happy garden. Ah, look at all the rain, it's getting all wet. That's gonna make for some juicy cantaloupe. I do worry about our pond overflowing though in this heavy rain. So it's something I do keep an eye on in case I gotta run out and get extra water out of the exit valve and watch the corners of the pond. But I'm sure Sunny the turtle's just fine. I'm sure he's burrowed down in the deep end in some leaves and just riding it out. Look at this pond. Ooh, it's getting high. That corner, it's leaking. I think we have to make it a little taller. I gotta say, while all the goats seem nervous in this weather, Miss Elizabeth here is just so chill. She is just like hanging out with me out here. Even though her mom and aunt are inside, she's just sniffing around, checking things out. She's not jumping when she hears thunder and lightning. She's just really awesome. That's thunder. Look at this girl. What a good girl. Are you a good baby? Are you a good baby? Yeah, you're a beautiful baby. Yeah. So curious, huh? Yeah, that way we can see your beautiful face, huh? Yeah. You like my goat? It says, no goats, no glory. Isn't that right? Yeah. Now that all the animals have their food, fresh water, I know they're all safely in their shelters, I'm gonna head back to my house and my shelter and ride out this storm. I hope everybody else is staying safe with whatever weather you're dealing with. I hope everybody has an awesome Friday. And thanks for hanging out with us today, even in this inclement weather. And if you haven't started your farm yet, what are you waiting for? Get your farm on. And if having to do farm chores in inclement weather is what's stopping you, it's really not that bad. You learn to enjoy it and make the best of it. If you liked this video, please give us a like. And if you want to see more, definitely hit that subscribe button so more of our videos will pop up.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you want a farm? A wicked awesome farm? Watch this channel to learn what to do. We love to farm and we'll show